Hi kids, welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV.
Today, we're going to discuss about the early computing devices and the generations of computers. By the end of our lesson, you will understand how computers evolved from simple counting tools into powerful machines capable of artificial intelligence. Are you ready? Today, we are going to travel back in time and discover how computers began. Before we had laptops, tablets, and smartphones, people still needed to count, solve mathematical problems, and keep records. Think about this. If calculators and computers did not exist today, how would you solve a very large math problem? Would you use your fingers? Write everything on paper? Imagine how difficult life would be. Before modern tools, humans relied on simple methods to count and calculate. As needs grew, people invented better devices to make work faster and more accurate. The earliest counting tools. Long before calculators existed, people counted using the simplest tools available, their own fingers and toes. These were the first counting devices because everyone always had them. However, people soon realized that fingers and toes could only count small numbers. As trade, farming, and business grew, they needed better ways to count. People then began carving notches on bones. Each notch represented one object or one number. This is the oldest known physical objects used to represent numbers. Later, they used natural objects like shells, stones, sticks, and pebbles as counting objects. Another important invention was the quipu. Different knots and colors represented different numbers and information. It is a series of knotted strings of different colors. It is used in South America, and similar systems also used in China and Hawaii. These simple inventions became the foundation of mathematics and record keeping. The early mechanical calculators. The first mechanical calculating device or counting device was the abacus. It is used for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division by moving the beads. In the early 1600s, a Scottish mathematician named John Napier invented Napier's bones. It used marked strips of wood or bone side by side to multiply and divide. In 1642, Blaise Pascal invented the Pascaline. The Pascaline was the first successful mechanical calculator. It used gears and wheels to perform addition and subtraction. A few years later, Gottfried Leibniz improved Pascal's invention. His machine was called the step reckoner or the Leibniz calculator. It can multiply, divide, and find square roots of numbers. This is John Napier. He invented the Napier's bone. This is Blaise Pascal, who invented Pascaline, and Gottfried Leibniz, who invented the Leibniz calculator or step reckoner. Key innovations leading to modern computing. In 1801, Joseph Marie Jacquard invented the Jacquard loom. This was actually a weaving machine, not a computer, but it introduced something very important. It used punch cards to tell the machine what pattern to weave. His designs introduced the basic ideas used in today's computers. Charles Babbage is known as the father of computers. He designed two revolutionary machines. The first was the difference engine in 1820s.
designed to calculate and print math tables automatically. The other one is the analytical engine in 1830s. It is used in calculating complicated mathematical problems. In 1890, Hermann Hollerith invented the tabulating machine, which used punch cards to record and sort information. This is Joseph Marie Jacquard invented the Jacquard loom using punch cards. This is Charles Babbage, the father of computers, who invented the difference engine and the analytical engine. And this is Hermann Hollerith, who invented the Hollerith tabulating machine.
Electromechanical and early electronic computers. In 1930, Vannevar Bush introduced the differential analyzer. This is the first electronic computer in the United States. It is an analog device that could measure temperature and pressure. In 1944, Howard Aiken, together with IBM, developed the Mark I. It is designed to perform math problems with large numbers. The Mark I marked an important step toward modern electronic computers. Grace Hopper, one of the programmers of Mark I, discovered the first computer bug. From this came the term debugging, which means finding and fixing computer errors. During World War II, Germany used the Enigma machine to send secret military messages. The messages were encrypted so enemies could not understand them. The Enigma code was described as unbreakable. To decode these messages, British scientists built the Colossus. One of the key people involved was Alan Turing, a brilliant mathematician. The Colossus helped shorten the war and greatly influenced the development of computer science. This is Vannevar Bush, invented the differential analyzer, Howard Aiken, the Mark I, and Alan Turing designed the Colossus. Generations of computers, the evolution of technology from past to present and beyond. First generation from 1940 to 1956, vacuum tube years. The first computers used vacuum tubes. These computers were extremely large, very expensive, slow, and produced a lot of heat. Examples include ENIAC, EDSOC, and UNIVAC. Second generation from 1956 to 1963, the era of the transistor. The invention of the transistor replaced vacuum tubes. Computers became smaller, faster, more reliable, and used less electricity. This was invented by John Bardeen, Walter Brattain, and William Shockley. Third generation from 1964 to 1971, integrated circuits. The integrated circuit, or IC, placed many transistors on a single chip. Computers became even smaller, faster, and more powerful. This was invented by Rupert Noyce and Jack Kilby. Fourth generation from 1971 to present. The microprocessors. The invention of the microprocessor made personal computers possible. This generation includes desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones that we use every day. Fifth generation, present and beyond. Artificial intelligence, or AI. Today we are living in the age of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI allows computers to learn from data, recognize speech and images, translate languages, make decisions, assist people in everyday tasks. Examples include virtual assistants, smart robots, facial recognition systems, and self-driving cars. The future of computers continues to evolve, and many of you may help create the next generation of technology. Once again, these are the key points to remember. Fingers and toes were the first counting tools. The abacus was the first mechanical counting device. John Napier invented Napier's bones. Blaise Pascal invented the Pascaline. Gottfried Leibniz improved mechanical calculators with the step reckoner. Joseph Marie Jacquard introduced punch cards. Charles Babbage is called the father of computers. Hermann Hollerith invented the tabulating machine. Howard Aiken designed the Mark I computer. Grace Hopper popularized the term debugging. Alan Turing helped develop the Colossus to decode the Enigma code. Computers evolved through 5 generations: vacuum tubes, transistors, integrated circuits, microprocessors, and artificial intelligence. Today, we learn that computers did not appear overnight. They developed through thousands of years of human creativity and innovation. From fingers and toes to the abacus, mechanical calculators, punch cards, early computers, and finally today's AI powered machines. Every invention built upon the ideas of those that came before it. As technology continues to advance, remember that the next great innovation could come from someone watching and listening to this video. We have two sets of activities for these instructions. For A, match the machines or devices to the names of their inventors. And B, write the correct computer generation, first, second, third, fourth, or fifth generation for each item. You may also write your answers in your notebook. Your choices are written on the top of the table. Let's check your answers. 1. Jacquard Loom. D. Joseph Marie Jacquard. 2. Step Reconer. C. Gottfried Leibniz. 3. Napier's Bones. A. John Napier. 4. Difference Engine. E. Charles Babbage. 5. Pascaline. B. Blaise Pascal. 6. Tabulating Machine. F. Hermann Hollerith. 7. Analytical Engine. E. Charles Babbage. 8. Differential Analyzer. G. Vannevar Bush. 9. Colossus. I. Alan Turing. And 10. Mark I. H. Howard Aiken. And for the generations of computers, let's check your answers. 1. Era of the transistor. Second generation. 2. Artificial intelligence. Fifth generation. 3. The vacuum tube years. First generation. 4. Integrated circuit. Third generation. 5. The microprocessor. Fourth generation. 6. Generation of computers discovered ENIAC, EDSAC, and UNIVAC machines. First generation. And number 7. Generations of computers discovered HAL 9000, modern voice assistants, and smart tools. Fifth generation. Identify what is being described. Choose the correct answer from the given choices. You may also write your answers in your notebook. These are your choices: fingers and toes, notch bones, kipu. Let's check your answers. 1. It is a series of knotted strings of different colors. Kipu. 2. The very first counting tools. Fingers and toes. 3. The oldest known physical object to represent numbers. Notch bones. These are your choices: abacus, Napier's bones, Pascaline, Leibniz calculator. Let's check your answers. 1. It can only add and subtract by means of series of gears and wheels. Pascaline. 2. It used marked strips of wood or bone side by side to multiply and divide. Napier's bones. 3. It is also known as step reckoner. It can multiply, divide, and find square roots of numbers. Leibniz calculator. And 4. The first machine used for counting and calculating. Abacus. These are your choices: Jacquard loom, difference engine, analytical engine, and tabulating machine. Let's check your answers. 1. It used punch cards to record and sort data or information. Tabulating machine. 2. It is used in the calculating and printing of simple math tables. Difference engine. 3. It was a weaving machine that was controlled by punch cards. Jacquard loom. 4. It is used in calculating complicated mathematical problems. Analytical engine. Your choices are differential analyzer, Mark 1, Enigma machine, Colossus. Let's check your answers. 1. It was an ingenious invention that the German developed to convert and decode messages quickly. Enigma machine. 2. It is designed to perform math problems with large numbers. Mark 1. 3. The first electronic computer in the United States. Differential analyzer. And 4. It was built to break the Enigma. Colossus. Read each question or statement carefully. Choose the correct answer. You may also write your answers in your notebook. What did early humans use first for counting? A. Abacus. B. Fingers and toes. C. Notch bones. It's B. Fingers and toes. What is the ancient counting tool using colored knotted strings called? A. Kipu. B. Abacus. C. Jacquard loom. It's letter A. Kipu. What could the Leibniz calculator do what the Pascaline could not? A. Add. B. Subtract. C. Multiply and divide. It's letter C. Multiply and divide. Which invention used punch cards to control weaving patterns? A. Analytical engine. B. Jacquard loom. C. Tabulating machine. It's letter B. Jacquard loom. Who is known as the father of computers? A. Charles Babbage. B. Herman Hollerith. C. Howard Aiken. It's letter A. Charles Babbage. Who found the first actual computer bag? A. Grace Hopper. B. Alan Turing. C. Vannevar Bush. It's letter A. Grace Hopper. Which machine was built to help break the German Enigma code? A. Mark 1. B. Colossus. C. Differential analyzer. The answer is B. Colossus. What technology defined the first generation of computers? A. Transistors. B. Vacuum tubes. C. Integrated circuits. It's B. Vacuum tubes. Which technology belongs to the third generation of computers? A. Microprocessors. B. Transistors. C. Integrated circuits. It's C. Integrated circuits. Which invention characterizes the fourth generation? A. Artificial intelligence. B. Microprocessor. C. Vacuum tube. It's B. Microprocessor. What is the main focus of the fifth generation of computers? A. Artificial intelligence. B. Punch cards. C. Gear-driven machines. It's letter A. Artificial intelligence. Which machine was designed by Charles Babbage to solve complex mathematical problems? A. Difference engine. B. Analytical engine. C. Pascaline. It's letter B. Analytical engine. Which device used punch cards to record and sort data? A. Tabulating machine. B. Abacus. C. Pascaline. It's letter A. Tabulating machine. Which computer was built by the International Business Machines or IBM based on Howard Aiken's design? A. Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer or ENIAC. B. Universal Automatic Computer or UNIVAC. C. Mark I. It's letter C. Mark I. Who introduced the term debugging after discovering the first computer bug? A. Grace Hopper. B. Alan Turing. C. Charles Babbage. It's letter A. Grace Hopper. Which device is considered the first mechanical calculating device? A. Abacus. B. Mark I. C. Pascaline. It's letter A. Abacus.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.